Hey, this is Andy from inkxpro. This video I'm going to show you how to install the chipless continuous ink system to the Epson Workforce Pro and WF3720 printer. Please make sure you have installed the chipless firmware with your printer before you install the system or the refillable cartridges. Chipless firmware can be found from inkchip.net. Okay, you put the reservoir on the right side of the printer. Open the air vents of the ink reservoir. Remove the cartridges. Put the continuous ink system cartridge into the cartridge holder like this. Make sure all the cartridges snapped in. I'm going to do push down and push the tab a little bit. You hear the clicks. Okay, we're going to use the T-shape. You remove the red sticker and put it into the middle of the printer here. Put the tubing inside the bracket. Also make sure that the tubing is long enough for the cartridge holder can move to the right side and to the left side. The height of the reservoir should be on the same of the printer when you open the scanner unit. Now we can go to complete. Okay, you will do initialization. It will take a few minutes. Yeah, at the same time, I want to make sure the ink reservoir is on the same level as the printer when you open the scanner unit. So I put a spacer underneath it. Make sure the air vents of the reservoir is being opened. If there's no airflow, there's no ink flow. You can always find more inkjet product from our website, inkxpro.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to
from
my
the
channel.
knowledge base, and you can find the installation menu, how to's, and thank you for watching.